Mount Pleasant FA are a point away from securing an automatic semi-final spot in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League following their 2-1 win over Waterhouse on Monday at Draxall. Raheem Edwards got things going for Mount Pleasant with the opening goal in the 12th minute. Edwards then turned the provider when he set up Jody Johnson in the 51st minute to make it 2-0. Waterhouse pulled one back on the hour mark through Colorado Murray, but had to settle for their 12th defeat of the season. Mount Pleasant are now on 68 points, 3 behind leaders Montego Bay United. Waterhouse are on 59 points with 2 rounds of matches to be played.
I believe that the team played good today. Okay, Mount Pleasant is a strong team. I prefer to run risk with some players or give rest some important players. I'm proud that the effort that today the team did was good to see some changes and to give minutes to some players that are coming back from injury.
Meanwhile, Moulins United moved a touch within safety after a 2-0 win over Tivoli Gardens in the early match at Draxall. Nicholas Nelson got the opener in the 13th minute. Substitute Chevon Miller secured the victory in the 73rd minute as Moulins United moved up to 39 points, 3 away from the relegation zone with 6 points to play for. Tivoli will be back in action on Thursday when they play away to Treasure Beach in a rescheduled encounter.